Let's get started on this Mexican street corn dip. I cannot wait to make this recipe. I was so excited to bring it to you today. So the first thing we need, because many dips start with, is some cream cheese. And I let this sit out to soften because it'll just mix better if it's at room temperature. So we're gonna need 2 packages of cream cheese. And then to that, we are going to add some sour cream. If I can get my spatula. We have some sour cream here. Again, full fat, low fat, it's up to you. To this, we're going to add some garlic. Okay, so to this, we're going to add the juice of a lime. So I just love this. Can I make more noise with my knife? The citrus squeezer. It works so beautifully for getting the juice out of limes, because you know, limes can be tough. Like, it requires a lot of hand strength to get the juice out of the lime. But not with this sucker. This works beautifully. Now we bring in the mixer. We want to get this completely mixed up before we move on. Okay, so to this, we're gonna start building the flavor. So this is one of my favorite ingredients. It's chipotle chili in adobo. So you only need a little bit, goes a long way. So I took one of the peppers out. Let me just show you what it looks like. They come in like full peppers like this. You wanna chop it up. So I did chop it up already, and I have a pepper chopped here. So it's about a teaspoon or so. It adds some heat, and it adds that smoky undertone. It is just amazing. And then to this, we are going to add some chili powder. And as most recipes call for, my all-purpose seasoning. Now, before we move on, I have some Colby Jack cheese. I'm gonna add about half of this in there. We're gonna reserve some for later. And we're gonna bring our mixer back in and get this all mixed up. Okay, this time I am gonna clean my beaters out because we're done with this. So set that aside. There we go. And then I'm just gonna run my spatula around the edges just to make sure I got everything in there. We're gonna add the corn part of our street corn. So 30 ounces of corn, in it goes. We're going to add some Cotija cheese, in that goes. And I'm gonna slide this aside, and we're going to add some cilantro, and we're gonna add some onions. So I'm gonna get everything chopped up. Bring the bowl back in, oh, it's a heavy one, and transfer all of that in there. Last up, we are going to add the remainder of our Colby Jack cheese. So in that goes. I'm covered in cilantro. And now we're just going to use our spatula to give this a spin. We are going to transfer this and clean up. We're going to transfer this to our baking dish and get it in the oven. Okay, so our dip is ready. We just have to get it into our baking dish. So here I have a 9x9 baking dish. I'm just gonna give it a spray with some non-stick cooking spray. Got a lot of cheese in there, remember? And we're gonna transfer this in here. Now, you could use a 13x9. That's up to you. It would just make a thinner layer of dip. Okay, we are going to pop this into a 350 oven. Let it bake until it gets ooey gooey, and then I'm diving in. So I found somebody lurking around the oven here. You can smell it. It filled the house with this amazing aroma. So this dip, you can make it with frozen corn, canned corn, fresh corn, whatever you got. And then you can even top it with some more cotija cheese or a squeeze of fresh lime or some chopped cilantro. I'm going just like this because it just looks amazing. So here, grab a chip, Joe. Let's go in for a dip. I'm not gonna do a big one. All right, going in here at the corner. I can't scoop it. There we go. Look at that cheese pull. Cheers. Don't burn your lips off. Oh. Hot. Burning the lips off. It's worth it. Oh. Oh my gosh.
That was really good.
Oh my gosh. I want another one. You guys, this is amazing. It's cheesy. It's smoky from that chipotle and adobo. It's bright from the lime juice, creamy. Oh, This Mexican street corn dip is most definitely a keeper. Don't you agree?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 100%.
All right, you guys, grab that recipe in the video description below. You're not gonna wanna miss this one.